Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x. I'm Antriksh, and it's another Chat GPT video for you guys. Yes, it's been a long time, but we had to be back to bring you the best 5 GPTs for you guys to use right now, which are currently available in the market. We are going to be back with a part 2 for this as well. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end because we have some of the best GPTs here. Now, what are GPTs? We're going to talk about it. But first of all, we need to go on to the screen, right? So I'm just going to share it. And there you go. Hopefully, it's visible to all of you guys, right? So what are GPTs? GPTs are basically mini versions of Chat GPTs to do specific functions, right? First of all, we had to do anything on Chat GPT. We used to come to them directly. But now they have specified sort of like if you want a mini version of it, boom, there you go. If you want a doc maker, there you go. If you want a code analyzer, there you go. So there's a different, and even you can make those GPTs. You can code its own. You can research your own GPTs. You can fill in information, custom information that you want to, and there's a GPT store where you can launch it. And then if people subscribe to it often enough, you'll get a part of the revenue. So there is one way to earn some passive income that we are going to dwell on in another video. But for now, the top 5 GPTs, we will begin with it. But just before we do, there's a small, as usual, an announcement that we have our Chat GPT and AI tools workshop going on live week after week. All you need to do is you just need to click the link down below, and boom, just for 9 rupees, you'll have access to it. You just need to enter some basic information, sign up for it, and at just 9 rupees, less than the cost of a chips packet, guys, you will have the best AI tools and Chat GPT workshop in the market. You want to create presentations in one click, boom, you'll have it. You want to be in the top 1% of Excel users, boom, you'll have it. You want to 10x your productivity, boom, you'll have it. You want to have a secure future in this turbulent AI driven market, boom, you'll have it. So all you need to do is you just need to click the link down below and sign up for the workshop for just 9 rupees. Now jumping on to Chat GPT, right? So cool. So how do you access GPTs? Yep, you just open this. You're here. You say explore GPTs, and here you come, right? So there you go. So I am going to talk about 5 GPTs now, right? So the first one, right? So that is doc maker, right? So it goes on to another screen. So hopefully this one's visible to you guys as well. Yes, it is. So now one of the best things that they have is here, right? So I know what it can do, but in order to tell you guys what it can do, one of the best things I was saying was, boom, there's this option. What does this GPT do? So this is where we're going to learn what this GPT actually does, right? So there you go. This is the first prompt for the GPT. What can the GPT do? As an expert in creating documents, presentations, and spreadsheets, I can assist you in various ways, right? So document creation and right? So basically, this is all and everything that it can do, right? I can create professional documents such as reports, proposals, essays, more in a PDF or a docs format, whether it's a brief or one-page summary, multi-page report. I've got you covered. Presentation design, need a compelling PowerPoint presentation, I can craft slides. So basically anything of a doc nature that you want, it's going to create for you for absolutely in like a one click and absolutely free. So boom, I mean, how easy could it really get? Now if we jump on to the second one, it is one of my favorites. I won't say the ultimate favorite, but let it load. If you can see, if you can help me find this. Obviously you guys don't know, so wait. Yeah, I mean, there are a ton of logo creators, but yeah, this is my favorite one. Logo creator, it says, obviously. So right, so make me an app icon, generate me a logo featuring an ice cream, right? So one of the best things that I like about it, you're just going to know right now, right? So this is the best thing that I like about it, right? So it asks us questions, right? So it doesn't go on to make a doc or a logo, a logo on its own. It asks you a question. What do you want it, right? First of all, ask, okay, me, yeah, I'm going to be a bit rude. Ask me more questions. Wait, did I just press enter? Yeah, I just pressed enter. No, I just uploaded some file. Questions, ask me more questions. Right. Let's see. Of course, here's the next question. On the scale 1 to 10, complexity, right? One is extremely clean, simple. So I'd say 6. Okay, I'd say 6. Okay, let's see. Got it. What's the third? Got it. Now the third. What color palette would you like? So if I want an ice cream, I'll just say E. Decide for me, right? Decide for me. So let's just try and design one right here. So let's go. Understood. I'll choose a color palette for you. Final question. Single logo or 9? I want 9. But I haven't really answered the first one. So, I mean, it's going to take the default one. Let's see what it does. Sometimes when I say 9, it gives us 16 logos. That is a glitch, but that's a good glitch because you ask for 9 and you get 16. So that isn't really a glitch. But let's wait for the final outcome, right? Because I am really excited because this does generate some very, very good final outcomes. And boom, I mean, look at this. Look at this. You have the cherry, you have the cherry on the side, you have no cherry, you have a bigger cherry, you have a swirl, you have different cones. I mean, wow, like, is there anything you want to change? So basically, this is what you have, and this is as easy as it can get. Hence why this is my favorite logo creating a GPT that I would have wanted. Right. So if we go on to the third one now, this is this creative writing coach. I'm going to do some trick right here. Okay. I don't have a paragraph on me right now, so I'm just going to go to ChatGPT. I am just going to open the sidebar, go on to the normal GPT version, right? Right. Creative. Wait, I must see, right? Creatively written for 5 paradox for me. Right. Let's just take the paragraph from GPT itself, and then we'll actually give it to GPT, right? Of course. Okay. Anything. We'll just do with anything, right? So there you go. Okay, so till the time it actually does, we're just going to ask it, what do you do, right? Let's just get to know it, right? So as a creative writing coach, GPT, I assist users in improving their writing skills, especially in the realm of creative writing and fiction. My role involves offering guidance, suggestions, constructive criticism to help refine your prose, poetry, or other forms of creative writing. I aim to inspire creativity, help you overcome writer's block, and provide insights into various writing techniques and styles. When you share a piece of writing with me, I'll start by giving a sample rating and highlights. Okay, this is nice. This is nice, right? So whispers of the cosmic dance. I'll just go here. I'll just copy this and then I'll paste it right here. So yeah, I'll just do this. We'll just do this. Wait. Yeah, I mean, I can't be that obvious that I just copy pasted it from 2 tabs earlier. So yeah. Okay. Now I'll just ask it to rate this one, right? I've not even told this GPT anything. It's just gonna rating 4. Okay, it rates itself higher. It rates itself higher. What's good? I mean, it would have been really funny had it rated it around 2, 3, or whatever. Imagery and metaphor, right? Philosophical depth, language. I mean, this is just amazing. This is just absolutely amazing. Like all of your essays and everything in creative writing, and all of you guys who are pursuing English here and there. It's not to just be your escape from the whole degree, because that is the field you've chosen. It's just for, as it actually said in its description, right? Help you over over writer's block, over providing insights, rating your stuff, constructive criticism, refining your pose, poetry, or other forms of creative. So it's essentially that. And if you use it in the right way, it's one of the best that there is. Now I'm just going to go again. Sorry, why am I doing this? Right. So yeah, there you go. And this is the diagrams. Show me. This is the fourth one, right? So what does it actually do? What do you do? Right. So what does it do? Let's see what it does. Hello, I'm diagrams. Show me. A specialized version of ChatGPT. My primary function is to assist you in visualizing concepts and information through diagrams. If you have any scenario, concept, or data that you'd like to see represented in a diagram, I can create it for you. Human evolution, right? So if we just take this for an example, human evolution, how can it actually show me in a diagram? Let's see if it actually can. Okay. Yeah, allow. Or actually starts taking permission now. Now, I did not know this before, but there you go. Doctor diagrams.helpful.dev, right, starting action. I really like this purple theme, how it actually gets fully, circled out and that is when we get it. And I really like it. Talked. Okay, here's the timeline diagram of human evolution. Okay, just show me, please. View full screen diagram. Just show me the full screen diagram. And boom, there you go. So prehistoric times, early human history, modern era. 6 million first human emergence of Homo habilis. Okay, wow. Homo sapiens. Okay, 20. Okay. 2.5K. So this was like when the year zero would have been there, right? So 18th industrial revolution, World War, technological, digital. Okay, wow. I mean, this is everything that you would need. I mean, this is what GPTs can do. How amazing is that? If you guys really need it now, I'd firmly say that this chat GPT, $20, whatever it charges, it's fully worth it if you actually have a day-to-day usage of it. It's absolutely amazing as to what it can do, right? So let us jump on to the fifth and the last one for today. So now, of course, we've discussed before. Now, there's a bit of a trick here, a bit of a bonus, I should say. I have two here, but I'm just gonna show you what I am trying to say. So I have Scholar AI, of course, and then in a similar-ish realm, I have another one, which is Consensus AI, right? So Scholar AI is, or if I just want to show you Consensus AI, okay. Yeah, there you go. So what it essentially does is, right, it actually has great depth of knowledge. It has a lot of outreach. It has access to 200 million academic papers from Consensus. It's stuff that even GPT doesn't have in their store. So it's actually great because GPT doesn't have access to 200 million academic papers. It has been bought. It is under the guidance of Consensus. So GPT can't really use it, but the Consensus GPT can help you access them. So yeah, let's just take this for an example. Does fish oil improve mood? Is human RCT from top journals? Right now, it's searching all of it. Yes, we allow you to visit them. It's just amazing how fast error talking to. Okay, there must have been an error or something. Okay, it's doing itself again. I talked. Fish oil's impact on mood has been explored in various randomized fish oil showed a little influence on mood and cognition young. Okay, boom. In middle-aged or older, fish oil did not significantly affect mood states, though responses were influenced by AOE for the non-carriers. Okay, so we don't know the depth and detail of it, but if you really want to research on something very specific, this is the place for you guys to actually go. So yeah, I mean, this is what I meant when I said these are the top 5 GPTs that you really need to know right now. And boom, this was it. We're going to come back with the part 2. Hopefully you guys did like this one. And if you did, also don't forget to check out the link down below. Click on that, sign up for the workshop with just 9 rupees. How easy and how cool could that be to just boost your productivity by 10x? Till the time I see you next time, take care of yourselves and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.